Rajan. I represent Unitex Software. We are a company which is pioneering syllabus-based software for CBSE, ICSE, and the state board, Andhra State Board as well. I will show you a small demo of our software from pre-nursery to 12th standard, that is intermediate second year, including the entrance module. We have a software design which we given as CD. The entire package can be very easily accessed and every single child can learn all the lessons. Basically it is covers science, maths as well as English grammar. I can show you a small demo where it's a very easy software. Just spending 20 to 30 minutes every day, they can really target of scoring 100% marks in the class without any tuition or without any guide. They can self-learn all the lessons whatever is being taught in the school. And this software is an interactive software. It is not a video or a CD. It's a software basically where I'll show you a small demo, you can understand better. This is a software basically. I'm just showing a demo for 7th standard. This software will cover the syllabus for CBSE, ICSE as well as the state board, all the 3 board. Right now I'm going to show you a demo on science. These are all the chapters. When you click on the chapter, you will get a subtopic. When you click
photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide from the air.
Like this.
Water is absorbed from the soil.
Actually, we'll explain step by step every single steps. Like this, these are all different chapters where it will cover things. Then you have maths. Any chapter you click on, these are all the thing. It will explain step by step. Like this. So you can click on this. The steps are shown. Like this. And once all the lessons are covered, they can even take their own test to know how much marks they are scoring. Here you have practice problems. And there are different types of questions. These are all different types of questions. So every question, the best part of the software is, even if they are making a mistake by entering the wrong answer, the explanation is given for them to understand. And then you have English grammar. English grammar, same way, it explains to the thing, like this. This is the whole package, very easy to use, like this. Okay. So we have up to 12th standard, and we also have from pre-nursery. This is a pre-nursery. I'll just give you a small example of all the modules. This is 6 different languages are covered in this, starting from how to write the alphabets. If your child is 2 years, you can start with this thing. 6 different languages are covered. These are the different languages. Okay. And all the letters, everything can be practiced in a book. Like this, 30 different modules will come. Numbers, name of the animals, fruits, vegetables, in different languages, along with the sounds it can be taught. These are all the pictures. You need to click on the picture. Okay. Sound of the picture is coming. Simultaneously 6 different languages. All these things. Okay. Like this. And then names of the fruits, parts of the body, vegetables, insects, transportation. Okay. Birds, vehicles. Okay. Basic maths, how to do maths, counting numbers, suppose addition, basic addition, how to do the
addition. Date first memorize the larger number 8 and add 2 in fingers. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10.
Then you have the stories as well. Various activities are there which will develop their skills. This is to develop their memory skills. This is to develop their analytical skills. Okay, this is to show their puzzles and word, how to develop the word. Then numbers, time, to teach them time. Okay. The thing is, this is a software where it will keep on changing every time. Okay. Then you have painting and coloring in this, where they can paint and color different pictures, select the characters.